Hi, I'm Dr. Umair Shah, the Executive Director and Local Health Authority for Harris County Public Health. This has been a trying week and a half for all of us here in Harris County regarding COVID-19. If you recall from our public health update from last week, Judge Lina Hidalgo moved up the Harris County COVID-19 threat level to red, the highest level. As of today, we remain at this level because we are still concerned about the increase in infections that we are seeing in our community. We can turn this around if we work together and continue to follow the public health recommendations of social distancing, frequent hand washing, and by all means, wearing cloth facial coverings when out in public. In Harris County, including the city of Houston, the number of COVID-19 confirmed cases now exceeds 34,000. We've had more than 11,000 people who have recovered, but unfortunately, we've also seen over 385 individuals who have lost their lives due to this horrible disease. Just today, Thursday, July 2nd, Texas Governor Greg Abbott issued a statewide order that face coverings must publicly be worn in counties with more than 20 COVID-19 cases. That includes Harris County and certainly the counties that surround us. This is welcome news. Welcome news because face masks work and we need all of our community to be paying attention to this message. Wear your face coverings. Governor Abbott also gave local authorities the power to limit gatherings to no more than 10 people in Texas where COVID-19 cases, deaths, and unfortunately hospitalizations have been increasing. I also want to remind everyone that there is another message around pregnant women. Pregnant women, this last week we learned that there was an additional piece of information about the complications in pregnancy that are very concerning. If you are a pregnant woman or if you are someone who is around a pregnant woman, by the way, that may be all of us, please do everything you can to protect yourself if you're pregnant or protect the pregnant woman around you because we want to make sure that that individual does not have or get COVID-19 because it can give increased complication risk and actually make the woman more likely to be on a ventilator. We want to make sure we do everything we can to protect the most vulnerable in our communities, and that includes our kids, obviously those who are older, and now we're also making sure that you remember pregnant women. This weekend, we will celebrate Independence Day on July 4th. For many of us, this is an opportunity to gather in large crowds, usually with family and friends. However, because of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and the recent yet consistent increase in infections in our community, we urge you to do things a little differently this year. Avoid large gatherings. Actually try to watch the fireworks display on television, online, or find drive-through options. Stay home if you can. Stay home if you can. Stay home if you can. If you are high risk for COVID-19 due to age or pre-existing medical condition, it especially applies to you. Your health and the safety of our community is the priority, and we know there will be many more holidays to celebrate once we beat this virus and this pandemic, but we are not there yet. Stay home, make sure you practice all the precautions, and if you're going to be with family, make sure you even limit the family that's going to be in your home or in your backyard to your immediate family and not those from other households. Finally, I want to remind you that Harris County Public Health has a total of 6 testing sites for anyone who would like to take the COVID-19 test. Our partners at the City of Houston, they also have testing sites. The county and city sites are free. All tests are free. Let me say that again. All tests are free. However, you must complete the online screening assessment before you can take the test at the Harris County testing sites. Please register at readyharris.org or hcphtx.org or simply call 832-927-7575. Remember, at the end of the day, we have a lot of demand for testing right now, a lot of people trying to go online or calling, so please be patient. As always, thank you for tuning in, and remember, don't guess, take the test. Remember, 4th of July holiday, this great holiday that's upon us, is really about all Americans coming together to be united as one. And we are fighting a pandemic, a virus that all of us want to get past as quickly as possible. The quicker, the sooner, and the more that we work together to fight this virus, the better off we are going to be with this virus in our community and being able to fight this virus for the future and getting back to how we want to see life. So 4th of July should be the start of all of us coming together, not about red or blue, not about left or right, not about politics. It's about health and medical. Let's do whatever we can do to unite as Americans, unite as Texans, unite as Harris County or Houstonians. Let's unite together to fight this pandemic. Have a great holiday weekend. Stay safe. Be healthy. Wear your face coverings. Make sure you wash your hands. Make sure you boost your immune system by sleeping well, and make sure you take your vitamins and even take those mental and emotional breaks. And best of all, most of all, be well. Thank you so much for everything you're doing to fight this pandemic. Thank you for what you're doing to protect yourselves, your family, and our community. Until next time, I'm Dr. Umair Shah, Executive Director, Harris County Public Health and Local Health Authority for Harris County. Happy 4th of July.